Shanley Pump and Equipment.
NUB Series close-coupled parts washing pumps by Edur. The NUB series of single-stage, close-coupled stainless steel pumps is a purposeful addition to any parts cleaning applications. From solvent to water-based cleaning, the NUB series from Edur represents a pump with a variety of sealing and motor selections for optimum performance. The 5 pumps of the NUB series range in flow up to 2,642 gallons per minute at pressures up to 232 psi, allowing for the largest of pre-wash and degreasing applications to be fostered. From immersion water systems to wash cabinets and washing booths, the NUB series offers unparalleled pumping of solvents for a competitive price. The NUB series of centrifugal pumps for industry are available in stainless steel, bronze, cast iron, and more, all exclusively from Shanley Pump and Equipment. Visit our website today at www.shanleypump.com or call us today at 847-439-9200. And don't forget to like and subscribe.